Whoa.
Whoa, what's that?
That one's from Susan.
You open it. Did you open it?
You're doing a good job opening it.
Looks like a Cars tool set or something.
Whoa. Rip.
Rip it.
Now turn it over and give it a big rip.
Whoa.
There you go. Good job.
You're big.
That's a big piece. Oh, yeah.
You did it, Manny. Good job. You did it.
It's a tool set, I think.
The pit crew.
You eat.
You want to open it?